Okay, let's go.
You sure you know how to do this?
I don't know, I have a cleaner, but let's give it a go. So, what we got here? We got Careline interior. So this is for cleaning the inside of your helmet. We got a pretty nice dirty helmet here. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good.
What?
You just spray it like this, right?
I guess that.
Yeah, I got a kind of smells minty, to be honest. Just let that sit, and we'll go on to the outside, and we'll see what happens. All right, so the outside, it's called IPONE Exterior Glossy or Matte Paint Cleaner. So this is filthy helmet. Let's see what happens. Ooh, I'd say that's pretty clean.
Yeah, it does come off.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it does.
To try the visor, got mud splattered all over that.
I think that's inside.
Is it? Well, let's see if it works on the outside. All right, if you think it's on the inside, we'll try it out too. I mean, to be fair, it does say it's for paint, so maybe it's for a helmet, but that's working anyway. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
What's it smell like? Yeah, it smells like your standard, your stuff that you'd find in a bathroom. So I guess that's a good sign. Yeah, conclusion, definitely works on the outside. Let's give the inside a bit of a smell. That is actually better. It's still sort of seeping in at this time, but it's working, for real. Cool, so IPONE interior, IPONE exterior, it works. That's it.
Put it back on the shelf so we can sell it.